Hey, it's you and it's me, and it must be Tom ATV. Good morning from the pool deck at our house. Today is an important day, big day. Gonna teach you a skill that really the vlogging world has just stumbled upon. I got up very early. I got up just after midnight. Just after midnight last night to purchase Disney Genie Plus at $15 for me. So it's Tom today, no Rhonda May today. Rhonda May feeling the pressure of Christmas. Must stay home and do stuff, whatever that is. And I will be teaching you how to stack Disney Genie at Animal Kingdom today. So I have a reservation for Animal Kingdom. I went and bought Disney Genie Plus last night just after midnight because I wanted to see if by chance I could make the very first Lightning Lane reservation just after midnight. This is not true. You can buy Disney Genie Plus, which I did, but you cannot make any reservations until 7 a.m. There's my hot caffeinated beverage. Shout out to Adam the Woo. Delicious. And here is the app. It is 7:02, so I'm a little late. I'm not on it. Yep, good morning. Urban Meyer fired as the Jaguars coach. Oh boy. So anyways, let's see. Animal Kingdom Day. So let's go to the tip board. Let's change the park. So it always defaults to Magic Kingdom, so you have to change the park to where you're going that day. So that is Animal Kingdom. So what we want to do is get good rides only. So there's Avatar, which you can buy for $11, but that's not the point of this. I don't want a celebration of the Lion King, 10 a.m. So I need to shoot that, and I can get a lightning lane for it. So I'm going to take that because it's important that I do that, because I want to put that on the channel. So I'm going to confirm party. And my first lightning lane has been chosen. Now, the language in the app still leads you to believe you can only do one at a time, which means we can't book another lightning lane attraction until after we get in the queue for the Lion King. This is not true. So let's show you how that works. So let's go back to the tip board. Now, seconds ago, I just made a reservation. Change park back to Animal Kingdom. That's kind of a pain. This app should know that I'm going to Animal Kingdom today. What's going on? Okay, so here's the important thing. I go to Kilimanjaro Safaris and I try and get the Lightning Lane entry. And under my... First, it's reminding me I'm not buying it. I haven't purchased it for Rhonda. But Tom Thompson is not eligible because it's too soon for this guest to make another Disney Genie Lightning Lane selection. They will be eligible starting at 10 a.m. This is of massive news. Now, that's a little later than usual, because usually it's only about an hour and a half to 2 hour wait. It's now 7:07, and I have to wait till 10 a.m. to make another Lightning Lane selection. But folks, here's the rub. At 10 a.m., I can get in there and make another Lightning Lane selection. And I'm going to do that. And we'll get the best ride we can. It doesn't matter what you get as long as it's something good. Okay? And then at 10 a.m., when I make another reservation, I'll have 2 stacked up. And then I will immediately go in and try and make a third. At that point, it'll tell me it's too soon, but it'll tell me when to come back that I can make a third reservation. This is a total game changer. This takes the Genie Plus app, which is inconvenient at best. And by inconvenient, I mean the other day at Epcot, we had a Lightning Lane. No, we got in the queue for Remy's Ratatouille and made a Lightning Lane selection for Living with the Land. So we went from Living with the Land over to Remy's Ratatouille, and then the very next Lightning Lane I made was for Soaring, right back in the same building that Living with the Land is in. So by inconvenient, I mean it doesn't help you with less walking around the park, but if you're doing the parks just to try and stay in shape, I guess that helps you because you're going to do a lot more walking, but you're going to get on a lot more rides, okay, with this stacking Disney Genie Plus rides, Lightning Lane rides. And you are going to walk more, but it is what it is. And the problem with trying to stay in shape at Disney is, yeah, you do a lot of walking, but I have a tendency to walk into a lot of ice cream places. This isn't exactly working out the way we had planned. You need to get up early in the morning because you have to buy Genie Plus before 7 a.m. and you have to be there at 7 a.m. to make that first Lightning Lane reservation, and then go right back in, try and make a Lightning Lane reservation. It'll tell you when to return. So my next shot on the GoPro will be at 10 a.m. making Lightning Lane reservation 2. So come on along. We're going to show you how to make this a... I have arrived at the Animal Kingdom parking lot. It took a while to get parked, so I am running behind. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So while we were creeping in here, I managed to get another Lightning Lane entry for Kilimanjaro Safaris, and I entered between 12:45 to 1:45, and I just took the best ride that and pushed it as late as I could so I can see how many I can stack. So now I'm sitting in the car and it's 10:06. So now I got a problem because there's no way I'm going to make it back to the Festival of the Lion King. So what I want to try is if I go in there and I cancel this since I'm not going to make it. Okay? Will it let me make another? Because I canceled one and I had one. Can I get Navi River Journey? And it will not let me. So here's what happens. So if you've got to cancel, you kind of lose your place in line. Because I just made the Kilimanjaro Safari, the next one that I'm able to stack is 12 p.m. Okay, so you know, I screwed that up. But had I been on time, I would have, at 12 o'clock, I would have stacked 3. So this absolutely works, and it's an absolute game changer. So let's get in there, and let's see what we can do this morning and enjoy. Okay, so remember, folks, don't get out of your car row until you take a picture we're in Giraffe 43 today, of where in the world you parked. Because, I mean, we see it every day. We see it every night, leaving the parks. People they just can't remember. It's such an elementary thing. You just have to take a picture to remind yourself, where in the world did we park? And make sure you do that. So the other reason, well, let me just say, I think there's better parks to stack Lightning Lane passes at. But, you know, I had the reservation today, so I just wanted to do it and show you how many maybe we could put in. Now, the one issue that's definitely changed is that Disney has changed the amount of time that you have. It's now 2 full hours before you can stack another Lightning Lane entry. So I think that's interesting. That means people are kind of finding out about you can get more than just one pass at a time, which was the original idea, and it still is the instructions on the Disney website. So here's the Animal Kingdom tree again, which is the same every year, but it's hard to improve on just how great this thing is. Don't let that guy drive, oh no. So I am in. I am gonna head back to the Lion King and do the standby there. So at some point, maybe while this show's going on, let's see, it's 10:18. So I just can't forget, and you can't either, getting your very next, let's look at these guys, getting your very next Lightning Lane entry, because you want to get it right at 12 o'clock, because the minute you get it, the clock is ticking on the next one. So don't screw that up. The quicker you get one booked, the quicker you can get another one. Welcome to Africa, everyone. Okay, that was the Lion King. Now it's almost 12 o'clock. I'm ready to grab my next. Let's see what I can get here. Oh, forgot. Always got to change the park. Always got to change the park you're in, because it defaults to you know what. So it's 12. Let's see what I can get. Standby for Expedition Everest is 30 minutes, so I don't know why you'd want to purchase Lightning Lane for $7. That doesn't make any sense. Safari's unbooked already. Navi River Journey, I'm going to take that if I can get it. While I'm waiting, there's our new camera I got for Christmas. It's fantastic. And I've got it. Okay, so now let's look what happens. Let's go back in and try and get anything. For instance, it's tough to be a bug. Let's try and get that. And what it's going to tell you is it's too soon, and 2:02 is the next time I can stack a pass. So that's it, gang. I think you get it. I think you totally get it. As long as you keep at this and be on time, you can stack up as many passes as you can get your hands on. But don't do what I did. Don't be late to the park. So you got to start at 7 a.m. and then you got to show up so you can get at least 3. And when I was at Epcot, I had 4. And then every time I used one, I got another one. So all day we had 4 in the hopper waiting to go. So that's how you hack Disney Genie Plus
to turn it from kind of a pain in the neck to something that's fantastic. So hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ride some rides. In the meantime, where else would you rather be than figuring out how to help charity by watching Tom A TV? We'll see you next time.